Nothing beats living in Santa Cruz, whether you're enjoying the beautiful boats at the harbor, having a beach day or bonfire at Twin Lakes, or a casual ride on the Arana Gulch Trail. Our property today is perched up here in Harborview Court, which is minutes from everything, and the bike trail's right out your front door, so you can enjoy everything without getting in a car. Welcome to 2106 Harborview Court. It's a 2,400 square foot, 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, built in 1999. This property is special. You're gonna love it. This home features classic Craftsman architecture with a contemporary modern design. This great seating area, large living area, tons of windows let in all the natural light. On the next level, you have this dining area that overlooks the living room, giving you just the right amount of separation. You have a half bath, and then you have multiple gathering areas, all centered around this kitchen. The first guest bedroom is one of my favorites. It has a lot of character. I mean, these ceilings, these windows, it just feels like you're tucked up in the trees. And then we have our second guest bedroom with views, and then the third guest bedroom with its own private balcony. In the center of all these bedrooms, you have this landing which has the guest bath, laundry, and access to the primary retreat. This room is like a sanctuary. It's a lot of natural light. You have this custom walk-in closet, and this bath with this clawfoot tub that's positioned perfectly. This backyard is dialed from the hardscape to the turf to the deck. It's a killer outdoor barbecue. I mean, this place is perfect for entertaining. Besides the 2-car garage, this is the only home in the entire development that has a detached additional garage. Call us today before someone else buys your dream home.